nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I've been sick. I'm getting better though, definitely. I told myself I was not going to be filming a Valentine's Day look. Clearly I lied, because that's exactly what this video is on Valentine's Day. It is currently Valentine's Day in Korea. I am getting ready to go meet my friend Brianna for dinner, and then we're gonna see Black Panther. So I figured, why not beat my face in honor of Valentine's Day? So it's gonna be pink. It's gonna be pink. It's gonna be pink. Because I already did an anti-Valentine's Day look and a non-traditional, so I figured, why not do an actual Valentine's Day look for you guys, since a lot of you said you like seeing me in pink anyway. So with all that being said, let's get started. And this is the finished look. I actually like this. Again, sorry about my voice. I sound crazy. I sound like I'm dying slowly. But yeah, I didn't plan on a halo eye, but that's kind of what happened, and I like it. As you saw in the video, I used the xoxo palette, the remix palette with BH Cosmetics. I also used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette for the center color, and the lip is ColourPop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lip in Tulle. And yeah, everything else I showed you. The highlight, however, is, oh, the sticker came off. It's A2O Lab Celestial Highlight from Miss A, or shopmissa.com, however you want to say that. So yeah, this is my look for Valentine's Day / going to see Black Panther. I'm not wearing this green t-shirt. This is the shirt that I do my makeup in. So it's actually a Ninja Turtle shirt. This is the shirt I do my makeup in. So yeah, I'm going to go change clothes and get ready to go. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye.